it's about time to wrap it up, y'all. For now. But, no it ain't. I still got about an hour. I am going to take a break in a minute, though. Alright, so, let's see here. We got that throttle located, cable tied to where I think it should be for now. The cable will come over, maybe even around the back. I'll probably run it under so it don't get pinched. Yep. And then in. And then in. Let's see here. Since that one don't have a kill switch, it came with a toggle kill switch that I find to be pretty much useless. So what I did with mine was use the old hub with the kill switch. I just didn't use the throttle. But because I just used a steel one and stuff, I'm keeping this one. And I'm gonna make him a more reliable kill switch than what came with the one that's on this bike now. Put this away. And that's why it came like that. Alright. So we got that on there. Let's go ahead and get the throttle on. We'll again need to loosen the brake and derailleur assembly. Grab the throttle. Remove the handle grip. Slide the clutch on facing the same direction as the brakes. You might have to open it up with a screwdriver a little bit. It's on factory settings like a mug. before we get this tightened on and stuff, let's go ahead and put this handle grip on too. As far as it'll go. Now, when it comes to this derailleur up here, let me pick that up. I like for mine to be over the top of the brake. I mean, I like for my clutch to be over the top of the brake. That's what I meant. But this one got the derailleur on it too. Oh Lord. What have I done? I might have to take something off to fix this. So just make sure you try stuff first. I know I didn't have to do that. I could have just took the barrel adjuster off, but now let's put this all the way back over. Yeah. Let's get this